Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon F. And in this lesson we'll finish our big thing with les homophones, so it's the fourth video covering this topic. Remember, les homophones, we're talking about words that are pronounced the same way but written differently, and of course the meaning is different. Okay, so we'll see 10 of them in this video. So let's start with the first one. Une peau. And here you have the meaning in English. Une peau. Un pot. Okay, so une peau, un pot. Un point. Un point. Alright, so you can see that here the only difference is the final letter, okay, but then they are pronounced the same way and both of them are masculine. Un point, un point. Un port. Un port. Okay, exactly the same thing here. Only the last letter is different. You don't pronounce it, and then both of them are masculine. Un port. Un prêt. 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 Okay, so it's quite interesting here. So you get un prêt written like that. So in that case, it's a substantive, so word, noun, and that's the meaning. Then you get prêt like that, so final S, but then of course you don't pronounce it. And here, prêt, so the adjective. Okay. Une roue. Roue. Alright, so une roue, and then roue. Salle. Une salle. Okay, so even if you get the double L here, it will be still the same pronunciation as this one. So salle, une salle. So in that case, it's here, it's an adjective. Un seau. Un seau. Okay, so un seau, and then the same way, un seau. Sûr. Sûr. Okay, even if you get this accent circonflexe, you don't pronounce it, so you get the same pronunciation, sûr and sûr. Une tente. Une tente. Okay, so it's exactly the same pronunciation, even if you get a here and here. Okay, and both of them are feminine. Une tente. Un toit. Toit. Okay, so in that case, we're talking about moi, toi, lui, elle, so we saw that a long time ago. Okay, and then both of them are pronounced like toi. Un toit, toi. And this is it. If you want more videos, then the YouTube channel is here and it's waiting for you. Like me on Facebook, I will be so happy. And then the website is here and it's waiting for you, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.